Do you know how you can tell when you are really good at what you do? It's simple. People will continually try to hire you away from your current employment. You will get regular job offers. If you are self-employed, you will have more business than you can handle. You will get a steady flow of recommendations and referrals from satisfied customers. You will have complete job security. You will know that if something happened to your current job, you could walk across the street and get another job tomorrow. You never worry about the ups or downs in the economy because you're always dealing with far more opportunities than you can handle in a 24-hour day. When you're one of the very best in your field, you feel terrific about yourself and you have complete control over your future. You may be wondering how you go about determining your area of excellence, if you don't already have one. And if you are already very good at what you do, you have to know that with change taking place so rapidly, you will find yourself in another field, doing a different job, with a different area of excellence within a few years. This brings us to one of the most important parts of thinking big in any part of life, and it is this. Successful people do what they love to do. They do what they do for the art and joy of it. They would do what they do even if they weren't getting paid for it. A good question for you to continually ask yourself is, what would I choose to work at if I won $1 million cash tomorrow? The great majority of people, if they won $1 million, would immediately quit their current jobs. If you would quit your current job if you won $1 million, you are in great danger of wasting your career and wasting your life. Self-made millionaires almost invariably say that their secret to success was that they found out what they enjoyed doing, and then they did it with their whole heart. Most successful people feel that they don't really work at all. Some of them say, I haven't worked a day in my life. Their work and their play are intermingled. They don't know where one begins and the other ends. When they're not at work, they think about it and talk about it. And when they are at work, they lose themselves in it. There are more than 22,000 official job categories in the United States alone. Amongst these 22,000 categories, there are a series of subcategories. This means that there are easily 100,000 different jobs that you could be doing. And most of the jobs that people will be doing in the 21st century haven't even been invented yet. Of the many thousands of jobs that exist, there are a variety of jobs at which you could work and earn a reasonable living. Your goal must be to select the ideal job for you, the one that gives you the greatest joy, satisfaction, and rewards, and then channel all of your energies into becoming absolutely excellent in that one area. The question is, how do you do this? The fact is that you are extraordinary. You are born with unique talents and abilities that make you completely different from all other human beings that have ever existed. The odds of there being two people just like you are more than 50 billion to 1. In fact, it will never happen. There is no one who has the unique and remarkable combination of experiences, ideas, thoughts, feelings, education, and imagination that you do. You have within you right now the ability to be, have, or do virtually anything you can imagine. The key to success has always been for you to identify your natural abilities and then for you to develop along the line of your inborn talents. It is almost as though you are engineered in a specific way, and that if you can find the area for which you were specifically engineered, you can achieve more in a few years than most people achieve in a lifetime. The starting point to identifying your unique areas of ability is for you to look back over your life. What sort of activities have given you your greatest results and rewards? When you were in school, what subjects interested you the most? What subjects did you get the best grades in? You will always be best at doing something that fascinates you, that holds your attention, that captures your interest, that you are naturally attracted toward. One of the tests for whether or not something is right for you is your desire to learn more about it. Whatever your area of natural talent, you'll enjoy reading about it, talking about it, and learning about it. In addition, you'll naturally admire the people who are the most successful in the field that you are ideally suited for. One test that has emerged from the research is simple. Look back to what you most enjoyed doing when you were between the ages of 7 and 14 years. At this time, you were completely free to bury yourself in any subject that attracted you. So, what did you most enjoy doing? If you don't remember, go and ask one of your parents. They will usually remember how you spent your time when you were younger. Dale Carnegie once wrote, "Tell me what gives a person his greatest feeling of importance, and I will tell you his entire philosophy of life." What gives you your greatest feeling of importance? What gives you a heightened feeling of self-esteem when you do it successfully? What do you most enjoy doing, and so much so that you are drawn back to it continuously? Napoleon Hill said that one of the great secrets of success is to decide what it is that you most enjoy doing and then find a way to earn a good living at it. Most people get it backward. They do what they feel they have to do so that they can earn the time and money necessary to do what they really want to do. Your goal should be to reverse this order. You should do what you really want and enjoy doing so that you can get better and better doing more and more of what you really want to do and most enjoy. In thinking big, one of the most important qualities that you will require is courage. We'll talk about courage later on in this program because of its central importance to everything. But in terms of doing what you love to do,